In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use filter function in Google Sheets. The filter function is perfect when you want a live trimmed down view of a larger table without copying and pasting. It returns only the rows that meet the conditions you set, and it updates automatically as your data changes. Start by choosing the data range you want to filter. For example, if your table runs from A2 to C10, that will be your source range. Make sure the range includes all the columns you want to keep in the results. If your headers are in row 1, it's common to start at row 2, so the headers don't get mixed into the filtered results. Double check that the range is continuous and that there aren't blank columns splitting your data, because filter expects a clean block of cells. Next, decide on the condition that each row must meet. Pick the column and the rule. For instance, if column B contains amounts and you only want rows where the amount is greater than 100, your condition range is B2, B10, and your criteria is greater than 100. Keep in mind that the condition range must match the height of your source range. If your source is A2, C10, then your condition should also run from row 2 to row 10. For text criteria, use quotes, and for numbers, don't use quotes. Now enter the formula where you want your filtered results to appear. Click into cell E2 and type exactly xfilter A2, C10, B2, B10, 100. Press enter and the results will spill into the cells below and across. If you see a spill error, clear any content blocking the space where the results need to go. If nothing matches, filter will return an error indicating no results. That's your cue to review the criteria or the data. As you edit values in the original table, you'll see the filtered results update in real time. If you need to narrow it further, you can add more conditions by separating them with commas. For example, to keep only rows where the amount is greater than 100 and the status in column C is paid, use @filter A2 C10, B2 B10, 100, C2 C10 als paid. Each additional condition must be the same height as the source range. Commas work like an and, so every condition must be true for a row to appear. Remember, text must be in quotes and must match exactly what's in the cells, including capitalization, if your sheet uses case-sensitive matching. A quick tip: if you plan to copy the formula, consider locking ranges with $signs so references don't shift, and always ensure your result area has room to spill. That's it, clean dynamic filtering with a single function.